Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Itala. So this episode starts off with Umsizi. He is at home, uhlele estupini, and he is deep in thoughts, guys. Uphetha izinto zakhe because the mjolo, the dating, guys, his heart is still painful over the fact that the love of his life is his sister. So he's deep in thoughts. Then ubaba wakhe comes out of the house and sees Umsizi ukuthi Umsizi ngathi uphethwe stress. So he's like, wenzeni njani mfana? Umsizi is like, oh baba angikubonanga, hayi lutho baba. Then his father says, manje yini kwangathi ufelwe nje. Umsizi then says, hayi ukuthi baba bengicabanga nje yabo, ngicabanga nje ngempilo yami. Baba wakhe is like, wemsizi, lento yakhe is about le ntombazane yakwamtshayela ngithi. Umsizi like, hi. Umsizi says, hi, cha baba. His father's like, oh, okay ke asambe ke. Umsizi is like, siya kuphi baba? The father says ukuthi siyozingela lento egcwele ekhanda nje lakho, le nonsense yonke leyo mele iphume nje. Umsizi is like, kodwa baba kuyafana nje mengibuya ukuyozingela ngizobuya lana ngicabange futhi yonke lento engiyicabangayo. The dad then says ukuthi if that's the case then ngizokunikeza ke, I will give you umsebenzi omningi kakhulu la ekhaya. Umsizi then says, umsebenzi baba ngeke ungenze ukuthi ngikhohlwe baba. Then the father says, okay ke, if that's the case ngizokuthatha ke mfanami ngikuhambise esangomeni. If that doesn't work, woza msizi asambe. Msizi gets up, guys. You can see ukuthi he doesn't want to go to zingela or go and hunt. Next scene, we see uMashandu. uMashandu is bringing side chick kaHlabangani. She is bringing side chick breakfast in bed, basically porridge. So she puts the tray there on the side of the bed, and then uMashandu goes on to say ukuthi uzophathela upelepele wakho bovu and ntambama. Side chick goes on to say ukuthi ngiyabonga. As Mashandu is about to walk out of the door, the side chick says, yes, if it wasn't me, kuzoba umunye nje, like to say ukuthi indoda yakho ungablame mina, like it's not, the issue's not me. Even if mina azange ngayiqoma, it would have been another girl. She goes on to say ukuthi leya ndoda ibathanda bebasha futhi angeke uzuyishintshe. Mashandu just says ukuthi iphalishi lakho lizobanda bandla, and she walks out. I'm just like, girl. Then next thing we see Umvelo is making some coffee or some tea rather for ugogo wakhe. So she brings the tray to ugogo wakhe. Umvelo is like, yazi gogo, simpeke yonke indawo sinothabani, asimtholi, simpeke yonke indawo izolo. Ugogo is like, ngiyabonga ngane yami, thanking her for the tea. She goes on to say hi. Gabi iguphi lengane kodwa. As they're speaking kanjalo, guys, they hear ukuthi khona imoto engenayo in the yard. So then ugogo's like, hayibo, yayizwa leyo nto ingathi uyena loyo. Umvelo rushes to the door to check ukuthi whose car's coming in. She opens the door. And then she's like, how? Ubaba. Uthole imoto. I remember last week phela ulokhu Mhlabangani, he was drunk, and as he was going to pee outside, he heard Usai Chikwake screaming, but he wasn't sure if it was really Usai Chikwake, and then the car was taken. So wushugutu itwalili moto yake. Then ugogo's like, ngempela. As she's saying ngempela, ulokuzana Mhlabangani comes into the house. He's like, hey, khona umuntu odlala ngami impela. Nazi ikhiya zemoto lana. Imoto ngiyitholile esigangeni. Umvelo's like, how? Mhlampe bebefuna amaphathi wemoto. And then ulokhuzana Mhlabangani is like, akunjalo ngoba imoto ngiyithole kuphelele yonke into. Nazi neyikhiya beziphakathi kwemoto. Ugogo's like, how? Bangayenza kanjani leyo nto? Umvelo's like, bangathi bayenzelani kodwa leyo nto baba? Uhlabangani says, angazi impela. I'm asking myself the same questions. Yabona nje izolo ebusuku ngizwe kahle ukuthi uphulisiwe noyana, nazi ngiyanitshela. Ugogo's like, pho manje ukuphi? uHlabangani says, angazi mama, angazi. The police need to find her at this point. Umvelo's like, oh, baba, usho ukuthi uzoya emaphoyiseni. uHlabangani says ukuthi ngicabanga njalo mntanami. At 3 p.m. angihambe nje ngiyobika. Next scene, we see Uma Nxumalo, guys. She's walking into a yard. She's walking in with some girl. As she's walking into a yard with some girl, she's busy saying to that girl, "Hey, phela ilanga langa lana liyashisa." As she's speaking like that, uNokuzana, Umsizi comes out of the house. So Umsizi comes out, he's like, "Oh, ma, yazi ngithi ngiyazibuza ngiyaziphendula ukuthi hayibo usushonephi." And then the mother says, "How bandla mntanami." Benisasiza uma mthethwa laphayana egadini yakhe. That time ugirl ohamba noManxumalo, when she sees Umsizi, she starts biting her lip kusho ukuthi she's impressed, guys, with what she's seeing. Umsizi then says, "Hey ma, ngeke ukholwe phela. Namhlanje ngibambe onogwaja abayi-2." Then the mother's like, "Ngempela ngani yami." Umsizi's like, "Ngiyakutshela ma, ubaba akayikholwanga nje yonke leyo nto." uManxumalo's like, "Umfana kabani kanti lo? Umfana kamama." And then Umsizi walks off. As he's walking off, uManxumalo's like, "Wemsizi, mana kancane baba, bengithi nje bingelela nangu uyamkela." Ngabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi uyamkela is brought here for Umsizi, mara Umsizi, he's not even interested. I mean, he did not even greet her, you guys. Then Umsizi's like, "Oh, ngiyaxolisa sawubona yamkela." Uyamkela's like, "Ewe, aba ungumXhosa, guys." Then uManxumalo's like, "Uyamkela umshana kamthethwa." Umsizi says, "Oh, ngiyawuza ma." uManxumalo's like, "Uqhamuka le eKokstad uvakashile njengoba iy'kolo zivaliwe." Umsizi's like, "Oh, hayi kuhle-ke ukwazi-ke yamkela." Then he just walks away nje kanjalo. uManxumalo's like, "Msizi, uyaphi baba?" Umsizi's like, "Oh, ngisaya la e-High Flats ma, kunezinto nje ezimbalwa engifuna ukuzixosha nje. Ikhona into oyidingayo?" uManxumalo's like, "Oh, bengithi kunganjani mntanami ukuthi uhambe noyamkela ngoba akazi muntu kule ndawo yangakithi yabona." Umsizi, you can see, guys, is irritated. He's like, "How kodwa ma, ukhona nje umazi noMpemdu." uManxumalo's like, "Hayibo, uzongitshela nje about those fools osikhotheni nje, izinto ezihlala ubusuku bonke bebhema nje. Hamba naye mntanami, ngiyacela bakithi." Umsizi's like, "Kodwa ma, mina nje like ngiya e-High Flats." uManxumalo then says, "Uqeda ngibuza nje ngale ndawo, idolobha yale ndawo, ufuna uyibona?" Angithi mntanami ungibuzile. And then the girl just says, "Ewe mama, ndikubuzile." Umsizi, shame, guys, he is forced to go with uYamkela to High Flats. Next scene, ngempela, we see Umsizi and uYamkela, they stop at some, ingathi kusesigangeni or something like that. They stop the car there, they get out, and then they sit on top of the car phambili. Umsizi then says, "Yikhona-ke elitsheni lenduna lana. Ngabe ikhona enye indawo ofisa uyibona?" uYamkela's like, "Inhle yona." Umsizi's like, "Ukudlula iKokstad." Then she says, "iKokstad, it's not this flat. Enye into-ke sendiyiqhelile like iKokstad ndiyiqhelile, so I don't even see ubuhle bayo." Umsizi's like, "Ngiyabuza, nami nje ngizizwa ngendlela efanayo ngale ndawo." uYamkela's like, "Khawutsho? Sithethe inyani ke ngoku, usamthanda la mntana." And then uNokuzana, Umsizi's like, "Muphi yena umntwana?" uYamkela's like, "Umamakho undixelele, undixelele ngawe noNomvelo." Umsizi says, "Oh, lokho, hayibo, indaba yakudala nje leyo, indaba ekudala, indaba endala nje." As he's busy saying that, walks by Umvelo and uThobani walk by. Umvelo comes and she's crossing her arms. She's like, "Msizi, sanibonani." I'm like, why is Umvelo looking all angry because she's uhamba nendoda yakhe? So why is she irritated of the fact that Umsizi is standing with another girl? Umsizi then says, "Yebo." Umvelo's like, "Ubani lo sisi ohamba naye?" Then Umsizi then says, "Oh, uYamkela lo, uvakashe laphayana kwaMazwi." And then Umvelo says, "Oh." uThobani says, "Yabona-ke Sibali, ubambe ngempela lana." uNokuzana, Umvelo then says, "Hayibo, ubani othe ukuthi bayathandana?" uThobani is like, cha, niyafanelana impela nje. So as uThobani says that, uGeli ke uyamkela, she catches on ukuthi uLokhuzana Umvelo is jealous. So she puts her head on Umsizi's shoulder and Umsizi smiles there. And then Umvelo gets the message ukuthi they are an item. And she's like, oh, shooting bonge like uThobani is like asambe mkami. Then they leave. As they leave, uyamkela is like phakathi kwabo bobabini ngomphi onuka makhwapha. I loved. And then Umsizi is like lesaslima lesiyana. And then she's like, oh, you're ngeke. And then Umsizi moves away from her like to say, okay, fine. Unokhuzana Umvelo is gone, like move off me. Uyamkela looks at him and she's like, hayi cha, awunambulelo nca, and she walks off. And then uNokhuzana Umsizi is left there and is like, umbulelo wani ke manje? I'm like, the way Umsizi sometimes is slow. Umbulelo of the fact that she helped you, uyamkela helped you make Umvelo jealous, and now you just, pushing her away like that. Hi, next scene, we see uMashandu ebenoMancumalo, guys. They are at Umshenglezi's place. They are there for Istokvel. Hey, but that time uMashandu, guys, was Pite with a tight-fitted skirt. She's looking good. Goge amazaza, aibo, like she is pulling attention. So as she's ungena ngegate, Umshenlez is sitting with this group of friends that are usually sitting underneath a tree drinking them. So Umshenlez, he sees uMashandu and he's like, how? And him began bafet, began. Mashandu walks past them. She comes in, benoMancumalo walking in. Umshenlezi is like, uMashandu, ubuhle bungaka, hayibo, ubuhle bomuntu wesifazane, hayibo waze wamuhla. Then uMashandu, she goes past, or she walks past them, and she's like, Sanbonan, with that voice, like to say, I know you guys are looking at me. Umshenlezi, and then the group of guys, they're like, yeah, well, as she's passing by, they all turn with her, guys. So Umshenlezi then says, weMashandu, ngiyacela. Mama alusondele kancane. Then both uMashandu benoMancumalo, they walk back to where the guys are sitting. So uNokhuzana Umshenlezi says, hayi wena Mancumalo, usungasala, so qhubeka uyongena endlini. And she does that. I'm just like, the only reason why they're calling uMashandu is because they want to look at her behind, you guys. So he goes on to say, indaba bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi uNokhuzana uhlabangani ukhona ekhaya ngoba I have something important to discuss with him. I'm like, I'm not anything important. He's just trying to make conversation with uMashandu so he can look at her properly. Mashandu's like, angimazi lo ukuthi ukuphi futhi I don't even want to know ukuthi ukuphi. Umshenlezi goes on to say, oh, manje ingaba mengifuna ukukhuluma indaba yebhizinesi ngenza njani. Mashandu zakhe ukhuluma nami phela. Then uNokhuzana Umshenlezi zakhe, oh hayi, kuyezwakala impela Mashandu kandaba. Then uMashandu like, yebo Mshenlezi. Then she just walks away. As she's walking away, Umshenlezi is speaking with his friends, is like, hey, yayinhle intokazi, yabona umtshali, yabona uhlabangani, hayi ubhayize ngempela, uhlula ubuhle nje, awungeke. Then that scene ends. Few moments later, guys, the Stokvel is out, and now coincidentally when the Stokvel is coming out, uhlabangani arrives at their place. Angithi uphuzela khona. He is entering the gate, and kanti uNokhuzana uMashandu and the Stokvel ladies are coming out. uMashandu notices ukuthi uhlabangani is coming into the yard, then she starts modeling. At this point, uhlabangani is inside of the yard. He's standing near his friends. She passes him, and then she says to Umshenlezi, usuyosala kahle ke Mshenlezi. Umshenlezi is like, oh, okay, mama. Upegi just looks at her and she just passes by modeling them. Upegi is like, sebenzile. Mashandu's like, yebo. Upegi is like, angibuyi. Ayibo, Mashandu walks back, she's like, angizwanga. uBheki is like, ngiyakubona ugqoke kahle uthi wenzela mina angibuyi sebenzile. uMashandu is like, xolisa phansi kwelanga. Ulokhuzana-ke uHlabangani is like, ngincenge sebenzile. uMashandu is like, xolisa phansi kwelanga. Unokhuzana uphansi kwelanga is like, ngincenge sebenzile. uMancumane was like, asambe mngani, ayimyeke asambe mngani. Then ulokhuzana uMashandu is like, uzozisola wena uzozisola. uBheki is like, uyoze ungincenge wena salukazana. And then you can see she's angry at the fact that he called her isalukazi, guys, while she's looking so good. Yeah, uMashandu, she gets home livid. She gets home, she's angry. She gives Megangena emnyango uMagoba, or the side chick, she's busy watching TV. So uMashandu gets in and then she gives the phone or she hands the phone over to the side chick. Side chick is like, ifoni yami bewena sonke lesi sikhathi. And then uMashandu is like, phone and uHlabangani. Hi, bo. So as she's busy saying that uHlabangani, that time they're busy having a conversation. uMshenxezi is busy saying to uHlabangani, yabona-ke, entangethu, you told uMashandu where to get off. Yabona, that stubborn woman uMashandu, uzwile, useyazi-ke manje ukuthi ubani indoda. Ayibo, uHlabangani is like, mina nginguphansi kwelanga kayi-1. Yabona abantu besifazane bancenga mina. Ngeke ngimncenge mina uMashandu, suka angeke. uMshenxezi goes on to say, yabona-ke wena uyindoda emadodeni, siyakuvuma, hayi siyakuvuma. Ngathi uMshenxezi, guys, avele ixoki. Like, he's busy saying that, but before uHlabangani came there, did he not say uHlabangani is a fool for letting uMashandu go? Ayike ulokhuzana uHlabangani, he goes on to say, yabona zinsizwa, ngishiye nje into eshisayo endlini, into fresh. Speaking about the side chick, ebabayo. Ayibo uMshenxezi is like, hey, habe, they busy laughing. As they busy laughing, uBheki's phone rings. And then, uBheki's phone, uHlabangani, his phone rings. He gets up and then he's like, oh, kahleni kancane-ke. He gets up, he goes and answer the phone. He's like, Philisiwe, nguwe loyo? Uphilisiwe side chick is like, yebo. uHlabangani is like, yazi, ngabe yonke into hamba kahle, like ngikhathazekile ngawe. Side chick is like, ngikahle. uHlabangani is like, ukuphi, ubuya nini ekhaya? Side chick is like, angisabuyi. uHlabangani is like, hayi bo, angikutholisisi-ke. Uqonda ukuthini ngalokho ukuthi awusabuyi? Side chick is like, ngidinga indoda yangempela Hlabangani. Wena nje, you are useless old man. Ngidinga nje indoda esakwazi ukushukumisa isinga. And she just hangs up like that. Guys, he is so stunned at that point. Even though the phone is hung up, he just says, oh, yimo thanda wena, so that aboMshenxezi and the friends can hear that, because now they're listening to who he's speaking to. Then he acts as if he ends the call and he goes back and sits with them. When he goes back and sits with them, ulokhuzana uMshenxezi is like, uyindoda. That time he takes the beer bottle, he drowns himself, because I mean, he was busy bragging seconds ago ukuthi yena ushiye isitoko esishisayo, kanti isitoko dumped him because he is old. Why yena etshela uMashandu ukuthi uyisigogwana, ukuthi ugugile and whatnot, guys. That's where the episode ends. I'm just like, hey, well, uMashandu, how far is she willing to go, guys, just to prove or just to get to Hlabangani to apologize? Because at this point, it looks like Hlabangani, he is going to Olisa, guys, on his deathbed. Anyway, let's pause it right here. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.